Hey Ryan, long time no see you. How are you doing?
Hi, Tom. I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Remember back then when we were kids, back in Grandma's house?
Yeah, I miss Grandma so much. Her food, she playing with us, and the times we went on trips.
Sure, I actually miss those days too.
Tom, how is your wife Annie?
Oh, Annie. Annie is doing great actually. She she's starting a clothes business.
Oh, interesting. How is it?
She resells clothing online and delivers it in our hometown.
I'm sure it is an awesome job. I'm looking for a job, but it's difficult to find a job related to my field.
Oh, now I'm curious. What is your niche?
I'm a photographer at wedding parties, college graduations, and some events.
Really nice, Ryan. I didn't know you were into it.
I started taking pictures of friends of mine and editing them on a Photoshop. And now, look, I'm here.
Really cool, mate. I'm actually working as an interpreter for a small company.
Really cool. How does it work, Tom?
Do you remember that electric car company that started to sell cars here like 2 months ago?
No, I'm not aware of it.
So basically, it's a Chinese company that's making lithium batteries for this electric car company. I translate um, their conversations in real time.
That's crazy. You're really smart.
Well, thank you, Ryan.
Do you have any free time next week at Monday?
Sure. What's up?
So, I'm thinking about visiting New Jersey. I heard about Cape May Beach and I decided to take a look with my own eyes.
Yeah, sure. Me and Annie, we had our wedding party at Cape May 7 years ago. It would be really nice to go there once again.
We can go on my car. I'm really excited.
Me too.
I'm feeling a little bit dizzy right now.
I think you need glasses. Why don't you make an appointment with a night doctor?
Yes, I will. I must be something inherited from our family. Remember Uncle James and Grandma's glasses?
I do. They cannot see a dog in front of them.
Before we travel, I'll certainly have an appointment with an ophthalmologist.
Let me ask you something. Do you feel headaches often?
Yeah, how do you know?
I'm almost sure you have to use glasses. Must be a side effect with your vision problems. Your eyes are struggling to see things, and that is the signal that your brain sends to your body, so you can do something about it.
Whoa, I didn't know we had a doctor in our family.
Shut up! I saw that on TV or something.
But thank you, Tom. I have to take care of myself. Sometimes I feel like I don't.
Are you exercising, drinking enough water, eating well?
Don't worry, mate. I got this. I go every day to gym, make my own food, and eat healthy.
What about water?
That's something I have to drink more. I always forgot to.
Be careful, Ryan. Kidney stones are one of the worst pains human can ever experience. I had that before, and I don't wish that to my worst enemy. Drink water, hydrate yourself.
Okay, thanks for advice, Tom. I'll certainly drink it.
Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm going. I need to drive Annie to the theater today. She's gonna work there.
Is she an actress?
No, of course not. She's just doing voluntary work to help our community.
Cool. Annie has a kind heart. Anyway, see you next week, Don.
Yeah, take care, mate. See you next week.